If you guys remember, about 2 months ago, I asked you, my subscribers, about your opinions about which credit cards were the best credit cards of 2022 by categories. These categories stem from serious topics like groceries, gas, airlines, and hotels, to not so serious ones to fun ones like what was the best looking credit card of 2022. With 2022 coming to a close, there's been a ton of new credit cards that came out this year that gave the old guard a run for their money. But with so many credit card options to choose from, it can definitely lead to a lot of headaches on knowing that the credit cards that you chose were the best amongst the pack. So in this video, we'll be going over the best credit cards of 2022 that you chose that you can carry into 2023, continuing your credit card journey. And you'll definitely want to stay till the end because the last credit card winner will definitely surprise you. According to the US Census Bureau in 2020, nearly 93% of all Americans had at least one vehicle available for them to use. Considering transportation is the second largest cost category for an average American family, having a great gas credit card can definitely put more money in your pocket at the end of the year. And the best gas credit card of 2022, according to the popular vote, is the Citi Custom Cash credit card. The Citi Custom Cash is a no annual fee cashback credit card that earns you 5% cashback in your highest spend category for up to $500 each month. The great thing about this credit card is that unlike other credit cards in the credit card market today, you don't have to physically select the category that you want your automatic 5% discount to be applied to. Citi, based on your spending patterns for the Citi Custom Cash, will automatically pick your highest spend category and apply that 5% discount. The Citi Custom Cash is like the Draymond Green of your credit card roster. It doesn't need to be the star player, and it doesn't want to be. It knows its job in your credit card rotation, and it does that job to perfection. And just to be completely transparent, YouTube community polls only allows for 5 total slots for each post, and that's the reason why a lot of these polls have part 1, 2, and 3, and etc. attached to the end of them, as well as some weird choices towards the end. Please understand that the credit cards that win each category beat out every credit card imaginable for that specific category. For instance, for the Citi Custom Cash, it beat out the Chase Freedom Flex with the gas sign-up bonus kicker, the Chase Freedom Unlimited, and the American Express Blue Cash Everyday card. Moving on, food is something that everyone needs. However, depending on where you live across the United States, that food comes in the form of either groceries or dining out. And the best grocery credit card of 2022, according to the popular vote, is the American Express Gold Card. The American Express Gold Card is a $250 annual fee points-back credit card that earns you 4x back at US supermarkets for up to $25,000 a year. With the average American family typically spending roughly around $8,000 to $10,000 a year, this is a spending cap that is well under the average American family budget. The American Express Gold Card also comes with a nickname that I believe fits it pretty well, the Foodie Credit Card, because not only does it come with a 4x back at grocery stores, but it also earns 4x back at restaurants, which is why the American Express Gold Card also wins the best restaurant credit card of 2022. It also has $240 in statement credits that's split between $120 in dining credits and $120 in Uber Cash credit. These two credit cards are split as $10 per month respectively and can be used on either Uber rides or food-related expenses. The American Express Gold Card beat out the likes of the Citi Custom Cash, Capital One Saver One, and the Chase Freedom Flex. On average, Americans will generally use around 17 vacation days per year. Planning these vacations need the utmost planning with things like hotels or flights. So let's move on and talk about the best hotel and airline credit cards of 2022. The best hotel credit card of 2022, according to the popular vote, was the Hilton Honors Aspire credit card. The Hilton Honors Aspire credit card is a $450 annual fee points back credit card that earns you 14x back on hotel and resorts, 7x back on select travel, 7x back on dining, and then 3x back on every other day purchase. Other benefits that this card includes are things like complimentary diamond status, annual free night reward, and an additional free night when you spend $60,000 on purchases in a calendar year, plus $250 in hotel resort statement credits, $250 airline fee credits, $100 property credits, and priority pass select. So theoretically, if you were able to use all of these benefits, this Hilton Honors Aspire credit card becomes a no annual fee premium hotel credit card. The Hilton Honors Aspire credit card beats out the likes of the World of Hyatt credit card, Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant, and the IHG Rewards Premier card. For the best airline specific credit card, according to the popular vote, was the Delta SkyMiles Platinum credit card. This $250 annual fee airlines credit card earns you 3x back at Delta, 3x back at hotels, 2x back at restaurants, and 2x back at grocery stores. Featured benefits include things like annual companion certificates, free first check bag plus priority boarding, Delta Sky Club exclusive per visit rates, and global entry or TSA pre-check fee credits. The Delta Sky Miles Platinum beats out the likes of the Delta Sky Miles Reserve, United Explorer card, and a United Club Infinite card. Alright, we have 3 categories left. Before we continue, I just wanted to take a moment and talk about Extra wallets. Extra offers wallets of all preferences and sizes, with their slimmest wallets being the card holder line, which holds up to 12 plus cards, or the modular bifold line, which offers the classic old school look with a modern touch of being able to take off the card sleeve whenever you're looking for even more mobility. Did I mention that they even have wallets that are customizable for AirTags as well, or an 18 karat gold card holder for the bougiest credit card veterans in the credit card world? Whatever your preferences are, there's definitely Extra product out there that will definitely fit your style. And they're currently having their biggest holiday sale of the year, so you should definitely go on their website and check them out. I'm talking about up to 45% off your next Extra wallet, and when you use my personal code ERICGAL at checkout, or with the link down in the descriptions down below, you'll get an additional 5% off your next product. Thank you again to Extra for sponsoring this video. Find a wallet with Extra that you'll definitely want to show off this holiday season. For the best no annual fee credit card, the people voted for the Chase Freedom Flex. This no annual fee points back credit card currently has a sign up bonus offer of 20,000 ultimate reward points after spending $500 within the first 3 months of account opening, plus 5% points back at grocery stores for an entire year, up to $12,000. With ways to earn, the Chase Freedom Flex is mainly a 5% rotating category credit card that also earns 5% on travel via the Chase Travel Portal and 3% on dining and drugstores. Its current 5% rotating categories are perfect for the holiday season, with 5% back at PayPal and Walmart. And in Q1 of 2023, the Chase Freedom Flex will give you 5% back at grocery stores, Target, and fitness clubs. The Chase Freedom Flex beats out the likes of the Wells Fargo Autograph Card, Citi Custom Cash, and the Capital One Saver One credit card. Moving on for the best credit card ecosystem, this was an extremely tight race, but ultimately there could only be one winner. And that was the Chase credit card ecosystem, narrowly beating out the American Express by a margin of 1%. The Chase trifecta is one of the best credit card trifectas in the credit card world, and each card meshes perfectly with one another. On top of that, Chase has a variety of credit cards that help you earn coveted ultimate reward points, which you can then use to transfer out to one of Chase's 11 transfer partners and get a generous 2-cent per point valuation. One of the most highly sought after transfer point redemption strategies is using Chase's ultimate reward points at Hyatt hotels, where you can earn up to 10 cents per point depending on when you book and where you stay. Alright, this final category is arguably the toughest category to decide, and that's the best overall credit card of 2022. With 2022 coming to a close, there's been a ton of new credit cards that gave the old guards a run for their money. Will there be a credit card that topples the old? According to the Points Guys, their 2022 editor's choice for best all-around credit card of 2022 is none other than also my choice for credit card of the year, the Capital One Venture X credit card. The Capital One Venture X credit card is a $395 annual fee points back credit card that earns you 10x back at hotels and car rentals, 5x back on flights, and then 2x back on everything that you'll ever buy with this credit card. And it's also dubbed the no annual fee premium travel credit card because of all the statement credits that help eliminate the $395 annual fee. First, you have the $300 travel credit that is paid back to you after you make $300 or more of travel related purchases through the Capital One travel portal, plus 10,000 bonus miles that is at least worth $100 when redeemed for cash back after every card anniversary. This combination alone helps eliminate the annual fee, and actually Capital One is actually paying you $5 just to keep this premium travel credit card in your wallet every single year. On top of that, Capital One has added a ton of additional benefits over the past year, like Capital One Landings, Plaza Premium, and the Cultivist. Alright, that wraps it up for this video. With 2022 wrapping up, it brought a ton of new credit cards that help compete with the greats. Do you agree with the winners, or do you think that some of the decisions were rigged? I'm excited to see what 2023 will have in store for the credit card world. And with that, make sure to check out some of the other credit card videos that I have on this YouTube channel. Those of you out there that are new to the channel, Hi, my name is Eric. I generally talk about everything credit card related, but more recently I've been making videos on broader financial topics such as these videos right here. The main goal for this channel is to provide informational and meaningful financial related content that everybody everywhere can enjoy. So again, if you'd like to support that dream, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And with that, thank you for watching as always. Until next time everybody, stay safe out there. Peace.